Today, I'm going to show you a CRM upgrade that'll blow your mind and save your sales teams hours. Imagine this. You've got a list of leads and no time to research each one before a call. Instead of scrambling through Google, LinkedIn, and Crunchbase, you just click a button. That's it. Using Monday, Make, and ChatGPT, we've built an integration that researches your leads for you and drops in key company insights like industry, size, revenue, and location, all within seconds. Let me show you how it works. On our CRM board, I select a lead, let's say Mall of America, and then I'll click the Contact Data button. Within moments, my board is updated with all the information I need to prep for my meeting. Industry, revenue, employee count, headquarters, it's all there. Need to prep for multiple calls at once? No problem. This works in bulk too. Just trigger the automation for a group of contacts and watch the details flow in. Now, here's how we built it. We use Make as a middleware between Monday and ChatGPT. The workflow watches for that button to be clicked. It fetches the company name and sends it to ChatGPT with a structured prompt. Then we process and clean the data, shortening industry names, formatting revenue, and update the record automatically in Monday. This isn't just a fun trick. It's a productivity superpower for your sales team. Less time on research, more time on building meaningful relationships. If you're ready to level up your CRM with ChatGPT and Monday.com, book a free discovery call with me using the link below.